on this episode of Will Whitey Hold the Boost. We heading to Elk Creek Dragway. Elk Creek? What? This ain't Elk Creek. It's Motormile Dragway, Dublin, Virginia. As you can see, my buddy Cashy, I think it's focused on Cashy actually right now, is he out. We got Levi in the house. Levi's car. Do you even have insurance on it now?
Yeah, until I take it off.
Until you take it, yeah, usually. You haven't taken it off yet though?
Nope.
You're not gonna sell it now? You feel better about it?
Still didn't run good.
Still needs to run better. So, King of the Streets is tonight. Usually every time I have Motormile on here, it is King of the Streets.
We come here.
I feel like it wasn't that long ago, but it has been, I guess, almost a month. And so we are going to be checking the, seeing what I was racing. This, I think it's the last one of the year. I could be wrong.
It's really sad.
I'm almost certain it is. I know, it sucks. And Elk Creek didn't run tonight, or we would probably be at Elk Creek.
Elk Creek's last week was last week.
Yeah, Elk Creek's last Friday night was last week. So we are just, I haven't even had Whitey at Motormile this year, and just gonna see what it'll do. There should be some good racing tonight. I think Jamie is gonna be here. In fact, is that him in front? No. But we're pulling into the track now, and then we gotta give him some money and sign some papers and all that good stuff. I doubt I run King of the Streets. I thought about it, but there ain't no point. But oh yeah, I'm illegal. That's right. I'm illegal. No twinsies allowed. So
nice.
Hopefully we get some good content for you guys, and we really appreciate the view. There is still a turbo giveaway, so go check out the Facebook so that you can see what all you need to do to enter that. So
there's new merch. KOTVmotorsports.com.
The shirts are freaking sick. Turn around. See if you can turn around and show them. That's awesome. I love it. So, all right, let's have some fun here tonight. Stress-free. I think we may have a grudge race, and we got some pizza, and yeah, it's gonna be a good time. All the fun.
This guy.
So my buddy Cashton's in here with me right now, but we are just sitting in the staging lanes getting ready to hopefully make him hit, and we got no time on it, so I ain't gonna say, what's up buddy? I ain't gonna say exactly what we got, but what do you think, Cashy? We gonna go fast? Well, you can stay with Levi, and we'll be good. That'll be fine, okay? Sound good? Alright. What do you think?
What?
What do you think?
6:23.
Oh, I don't care about the time.
What else did you want to know about?
I don't know, stuff in general. All right, so I should have the GoPro on. We're gonna try to have the GoPro on, so hopefully we get us a good pass as Cashton climbs out of my vehicle. He's crazy. And of course I forgot to turn the GoPro on, because that is the way of this channel. I cannot seem to remember, and I can't remember to tell anybody to, so. Good pass. I won't disclose the times. Bumped it off of the rev limiter in second, and but it did pretty good out the hole, so especially for here. I'm pretty happy with it. Really happy with it actually, so it'll be faster. So we'll get faster this evening. Booyah. So we got a grudge race going on. I will be running Lee Harrison small block Ford Fox, so I don't feel so bad about it. Hopefully you can hear me over top of everything that's going on, but we're just sliding in second round behind King of the Streets, and he's got a 438 cubic inch Dart small block Mustang, so should be fun, should be a good time. Hey, that's awesome. Absolutely freaking sick. Probably, I don't know, maybe a car tops, car and a half maybe. I mean, that was a good freaking race, man. That was sick. That was so much fun. I hit the scramble a little bit, tried to get him on top, and he had already, I should have hit it sooner, or should have had more in it, one or the other. Man, it was awesome. Not leaking anything, I don't think, so yeah, we looking good. So man, I'm pumped. God, that was a good run. That was so much fun. I love racing. That's just all there is to it. Absolutely love racing. We got to slip right in behind the King of the Streets, and man, that was fun. Such a good race, man. I think I got him off the head on the tree. I think the thing is a legit car. So I am pumped. Better put my hat on. It's terrible. broken axle. So what do you think? Huh?
Oh, it sucks.
My bad, Steve. My bad.
Oh,
What did he do?
What all tagging me on?
Put the 100 shocks in.
Oh well, I mean, hey, it was fitting to leave.
Yeah, it was fitting.
Man, that thing is.
It's grinding a bad back here.
Ouch. All right, so it is the next day, and this is going to be the outro for this deal. So last night was a super long night. Steve broke an axle at like the very end. Last staging lanes were closed. Everything was done. Finals had been ran in King of the Streets. Terry Harris, Junkyard Dog, actually ended up winning the King of the Streets championship deal, and so that was pretty cool. And Steve snapped the driver's side axle. So at that point, Steve drove it there, and so the only downfall about not having a trailer and trying to be full legit street car is if you break, and he did. And so we loaded Whitey up, drove it all the way home, dropped it off, turned around immediately, went all the way back to the track, which it's a good 45-minute to hour drive. Loaded the car up with no drive line, like no power. It couldn't move under its own power, and then drove it back to Princeton, dropped the trailer off. Then I had to go drop him and Kenny off at their house, and so all the while Mr. Cashton was in here with us, and he did pretty good. He slept the majority of the time, but just a awesome. I mean, it was 5 o'clock this morning whenever we got in, so legit. I mean, I haven't done that in a long time with the whole like going and getting things at the track, but it was awesome. It was a good time. My Grudge race with Lee Harrison in the Nitrous small block 4 Fox was just an absolute blast. I mean, we were bumper to bumper. I got him off the line. He came around me, and then I tried to scramble on him a little bit there. Should have been on it a little sooner. Trying not to really push Whitey too much if I don't have to, and it was just super tight race. I mean, car, obviously I won a personal best at Motormile on that pass. That was the fastest pass it's been there. I don't want to say, because his is a Grudge no time type of car, and so you sort of base, which I mean, he's got more nitrous that he can throw at it than what he had there, so it's a little different, but I don't need to deluge you know about what it ran, considering of what I've posted at Elk Creek. So it did a really good time. I mean, really fun Grudge race. I hate that Steve snapped an axle, but now he's gonna throw a stock axle in it and start saving up to get them bad boy axles now. So get some either G-force, some DSS or something, some big power, because I saw whenever he launched that thing, it took out really good. I mean, it was getting ready to probably do the fastest 60, and then pop. I mean, you could hear it. It popped so bad. So, but it was an absolutely awesome time last night. That's really the reason that I went. I knew that I'm on call next week for my job, and I wouldn't be able to get to a track or anything like that or do much racing. And so it's also today. Wow, it feels amazing out here. I know it's bright where everything's coming through the clouds, but it's probably like high 50, low 60s right now. And I'm in shorts, and it feels amazing. Actually, I wouldn't be able to do this for very long. That's not in shorts. That's how cool it is. So fall is upon us, and King of the Streets is done for the year. Pretty sure the track, I think they said they come back in 2 weeks. I don't even know how long they'll be open. Elk Creek's done, so our season is winding down when it comes to the track stuff, which Whitey's only been to the track like 3 or 4 times this year, and I've had a great time with it there. Probably going to do some things, set it up, and probably put a radial on it and drive it around some more. Where it's on a slick, that's really the main reason I don't drive it around, is because those are expensive and you wear the sidewalls out, and then there's no point in having them. So, I mean, last night was awesome. I had a great time. My little boy had a great time. Tons of kids there for him to play with, so it was awesome. And we saw some pretty cool cars. Brent Austin with the Megalodon, his like street car F-body Camaro was there, and it was pretty sweet. I think it was 6.0s, so it was a fast little street car. And the stock bottom end 302 car, the red one that I've had on here before, it went a 652 last night in the 8th. Stock bottom end 302. It's freaking nasty. And so it did amazing. Really everybody's cars did awesome. It was just a really good night. That's usually how it is. Man, I used to go every Friday to Motormile Dragway. I mean, every single one. I got engaged at Motormile Dragway, so it's always a great time. I just like testing at Elk Creek, that's all. So, but hopefully next year we'll have the Zephyr there, and we'll be, I don't know, I doubt it's not going to be technically legal for King of the Streets, but we'll see. We'll see what goes on with it. But that's going to be it for this video. There is still a turbo giveaway on the it's on the Facebook page, so go check it out. You got to subscribe here, like the Facebook page, and go buy something off the website, KOTVmotorsports.com. We got shirts, hats, decals, all that good stuff. So hit that deal up, get you an order in, and get entered for a chance to win the Borg Warner S475 Turbo. So that's going to be it for this video. I appreciate the view. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this content and this video, and hopefully subscribe so you can see some more. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.